So if you guys can't afford PCIs, because they're like $300 for his size shirts, just go ahead and do this, bro, because it looks so good, bro. For the price, it's literally unbeatable. Look at that. Oh my God, bro. All right, yo, dudes. I'm kind of out of breath because we're out here running around. But we're going to go to this car show called Gearhead Society, right? It's by Gearhead? Gearhead, yeah. So Gearhead Society, it's called the Cali versus Vegas meet. So we're about to go head out to that thing. And what we're doing right now is basically...
So this guy wants to put EM1 seats in his Integra.
Yes, sir.
Taking these off because one of them is broken.
Yeah, this one, as you can see right here. I got it for like free, basically, from one of my neighbors. But look at this. This just, it doesn't stay on there. Look. The seat just falls. If I sit on it, it literally flops back because this foam is broken. Like the actual foam of it is broken, not the brackets. So I'm taking that out because the only way for me to run this seat was literally to have this toolbox supporting me up and that basketball right there kind of holding it in place. But we got the EM1 seats out of my hatch. So the Integra's gonna have EM1 seats. Let's roll. You got all the whips.
Shit's clapped.
Your whips clapped? My boy Dallas right here.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, this looks tight. This is our own underground meet. We start telling everybody to pull up here.
She said, let me lock in.
That's nice. There
you go.
For real.
What was that?
Alright, guys. So look,
We stopped by at the AutoZone because this food took an L. He broke his cap, so he went inside. We're out here guarding his whip, and we're pulling a little prank on him. So we
gotta make it look somewhat connected.
we'll plug the distributor while he's inside, and we're gonna be recording. Like I'm gonna be pretending it's just for a video. Like I guess video like, and then we're for a vlog, and then I'm gonna be like, yo, your car doesn't start up now, bro. Like just geeked out, bro.
That looks good right there.
Yeah, get your acting in too, bro. Be like, nah. We're just gonna wait till this food comes out. I'm gonna start recording once he comes out.
Oh, that's great.
Huh? Alright, guys, once again, check that out. Look, I had to use a rag. What you think, bro?
I got the stuff. I got a cocoa oil too because I was kind of low. I was gonna put some anyway.
Selling, bro. Do you have it?
We only have one left in stock too.
It's meant to be then.
Yeah.
It's meant to be, bro.
It's not OEM though.
Oh, it's not. Yeah. Oh, funnel. So.
Alright,
Let's see, bro. You put the whole thing?
Yeah.
You only put in one quart? It's chill.
Things that happen,
You
bro.
want a fall game?
Roadside repairs.
What was the other bottle you got? Was that another?
Alright, gang. Nah.
No.
Food selling, bro.
There's no way.
Yo.
What are you doing? You did something, huh?
Bro.
Pranking me.
What are you talking about?
Turn it up. Nah, bro. Hold up. Bro.
Bro, you guys did something, bro.
He thought, yeah, he thought it didn't, he thought it didn't want to turn on, but me and this fool did it when we thought about it when you were inside.
Not far from home.
Prank this fool, bro.
Just for it not to turn on for the oil, bro.
We told him it was the oil.
it's not the way in oil.
I knew you guys did something, bro. That's what you said.
Roll out or what?
That's what you said. Now pump some gas, but look at this kid, bro. Look at this kid. All right, y'all, what is going on, man? Check out this Spider-Man shirt. It's pretty fire. But as you guys see from the title, we are going to basically transform the Integra. We're going to make some side skirts for $6. We actually had mounted these on the hatch, as you can see.
They're way too big.
But they are way too big. They stick down way too much. And I daily drive the Integra, and I know my routes. I know it's going to rip off when I go over a bump. So I'm not going to do that. But we're basically going to do the same thing, but just kind of cut it up, make it fit a lot better, and make it sit nicer. A little bit higher, too. But just so I can get that side skirt look. And it's for $6, bro. One of these gutter pieces is $6. So they are made out of rain gutters. You can get them at Home Depot or Lowe's. But we got them from Lowe's, right? Yeah. We got it at Lowe's for $6. Check it out. Yep. I also got some wrap in there. So I'll go ahead and color match that thing. We're not going to use the Nardo Gray wrap. If you guys did see that video, or if you guys didn't see that video, make sure you check it out. We'll leave the link down below.
This is all I got left over out of the whole 60-foot route, yeah.
I still got that. I could wrap the whole car. Look, I bought way too much, yeah. That's probably why I spent more money than I had to. But I knew because when I wrapped my Z, I messed up on a panel and like 2 panels, I think. All right, dudes. So
I can't have more seats.
you gotta go ahead and measure the side skirt. Don't mind my broken door handle. We gotta go ahead and measure the length of the side skirt so we can go ahead and wrap it.
You guys own a 90s Honda?
I thought I was invincible. I was like,
The struggles.
I was about to say, yo, mine hasn't broken this whole time I had it. Everybody on the forums is saying, oh, my handle broke. How do you guys do this or that? I was like, you know what? Mine is perfect. Until like a couple weeks ago, this thing just snapped off on me. So we're just gonna ignore that. We're gonna ignore that. You guys saw in the clip earlier, we were putting the seats in.
Like
the EM1 seats. That's how they look. I actually really like it.
Yeah.
It looks better than the NRG ones.
Style,
tacky. It's all good. It looks sick though. They're way comfortable, dude.
What are you trying to do? It's already measured for size, huh?
No.
Oh, that's the hatch for me.
Yeah, they're different. Oh no, it's exactly 6 feet.
I told you, brother, 6 feet.
They're the same height, length, I mean? The hatch one were the same too? Yeah. I thought we measured them last time and they were different. All right, dude. So here are the side skirts, or side skirts. They're actually gutters, rain gutters for a house. We're gonna go ahead and cut them up. They're already measured to be 6 feet each. So I'm gonna mark it at 6 feet. We're gonna get to cutting. Let's get to it.
Yo, guys, check this out. So I don't know if you guys know, but in my EJ8, I do not have any single radio, no head unit, no speakers, nothing like that. But check this out, look. Got music playing from the door speakers, but look, there's no
nothing.
head unit anywhere, bro. See that? Oh, shout out to Jordan Distributors Inc., bro. They be coming in clutch. Push to start kit, ghost box, everything.
How much is this?
150.
You pay 150?
150. Look, this is not sponsored, but I'm just, hyped up on this. So this ain't no sponsorship. Just really good product, bro, for a lot of on this. So, look.
It's like a game.
Look, check this out. It's hidden Bluetooth head unit. Play directly from your phone, tablet, or to your vehicle speakers. All that, look. Oh, bro. So that's how I got this car to work.
And he stole the speaker from my hatch. Yo, speaker's about to blow up. Like it.
Look.
That's how mine is.
Here, what are we doing? To 6? Exactly 6? Alright, man.
A little bit lower.
Yeah. 72. Bro. Sold. Alright, bet.
I might as well mark this one too.
It's the same length. Just write it from that one.
It's gonna be exacto.
Yeah.
They got lined up exactly.
Chicken, bro. 72. Told you, look.
Boom.
You just put them together, stack them together, and saw it.
That's dumb.
Go.
Wait, I need to see if they're right there. That was a pretty clean slice. Yeah, let's go test fit it, see how it fits.
On the hedge,
See how it fits. They're already on the hedge. See if it's the right length. It's perfect, no?
Yeah. Now you try to cut the...
So we're gonna cut what? Basically this tab off, right? Like to here?
Yeah.
Sure? Or half of it?
Probably just this type.
Hold it.
What you do like this? Look.
It's going sideways.
That's what do like this.
Alright, dude, so check me out. Come on, bro. So the cuts don't look the best,
That looks pretty clapped.
but mock it on.
So check it out.
You gotta basically tuck it in there. Tuck it in where?
Take that shit in. Where's that it?
Like that. So now it sits like that. Dude, that looks sick. That looks fire. And again, I am gonna wrap them. I have the wrap right there.
It's like the camera.
Camera? That's kind of cool though, no? Or no, we could from the bottom push it in and self-tap from the bottom, no?
Nah, there's too much of a gap.
Like this, look.
I mean, it's like this.
Because it's right here, eh, Cam? If we push it in and self-tap from the bottom,
Yeah, look.
that looks sick.
Yeah.
Oh, we were actually going to cut this one like we did the other one, but this dude's battery on the angle grinder died. So alright, dude, so it's already wrapped. Look at that. Let's go ahead and mock it. I'm kinda
Fresh.
excited, bro.
Let's mock it up.
My leg.
Yeah, it looks
How's
tough.
that look?
Looks tough.
Yo, that looks sick, bro.
Get the rain gutter mode.
That looks sick. That looks fire.
Alright, now just tap it on there.
Yeah, we're gonna self-tap it on there and get it going. Let's go.
Yeah. Jack on this.
All right, bros. That thing looks sick.
Nah, looks like case high skirt.
What you mean?
Case high skirt, but like with extended mag on
It looks good.
With
That thing
extendo
looks
on it.
fire, bro.
It looks sick, bro.
All right, so you got this side done. That one's already fully installed, self-tapped, wrapped, and everything. Let's go ahead and hit the other one. Fully wrapped and cut, so now we can go ahead and slide it in there. See how
Yo,
it
that's
fits.
sick. Look, check that out. Bro.
Now we gotta self-tap it. Let's go.
We just made a short right now. I fell on the
I
ground.
smacked this guy with this guitar right in his head, bro. It was
Yeah,
so
you guys
funny,
are gonna
bro.
see.
Stay tuned.
I hurt my shoulder right now, but it was for the short, so let's get it.
See what we're working with.
Sheesh. That's tough.
There's just barely enough clearance for the jack to go underneath it too, so it looks really good.
Check that out. Oh, what the hell? No, my chanclas got dirty. Check that out, bro. What you think? Harder? What?
It's hard.
Finally, it doesn't look naked.
$6 mod right here, bro.
Yeah, only $6 each. This model is like $12, but except for the wrap. So
That is for the wrap, yeah.
yeah, I guess the
If
wrap.
you have a white car though, it'll fit right away. If you have like a white
Oh yeah, if you have a white car, plug and play basically. So yeah, this whole wrap job, well, this whole side screw job was $12. So I don't know. I feel like that's mad cheap for some side screws.
They look good too. They look good. So if you guys can't afford PCIs because they're like $300 for his side skirts, just go ahead and do this, bro, because it looks so good, bro. For the price, it's literally unbeatable. Look at that.
Really, bro.
Oh my God, bro.
Bro.
You can't even tell they're rain gutters because just look at them. Compared to the ones like I showed you guys earlier on the hatch, because we didn't think to cut them. Now that I did that, I might as well just do on the hatch too.
For real.
But look, these you can straight up tell they're rain gutters because they look like rain gutters.
Hey,
You can see that little step that they have.
get these, bro.
So we're at a local Arco right here, but we came to get a good look at the Integra. So yo, see how it sits from far away? That thing looks crispy, son. Let's look at it from this side. Boom. Yeah, it looks hard. What do you think? Worth it? $6
Yeah.
each?
$12 more.
$12 mod,
You
basically.
know, if you lived on these houses, you just hug the wall.